Hi, hello, welcome to a new video. I'm really happy to see you there, and today I'm gonna be packing orders with you. I recently launched the Matsuri collection on my shop with a lot of new products, including prints, stickers, keychains, and some handmade stuff as well. But before I leave you with some ASMR packing sounds and some really cozy music, I just wanted to talk about something I mentioned in my Instagram a few days ago that I think is really important to talk about and not a lot of small businesses mention. I always like to be really transparent, and I know a lot of small businesses out there do experience this at some point. Now, for some context, I relaunched my shop a few months ago after taking a big break. I decided to close it during my year in Japan, and so this was my very first shop update since the launch, and it kind of did a big flop. I poured a lot of time, money, and love into these new products, as always, and I did felt confident, even though I was nervous, obviously, but I only had like a few orders, and it didn't pick up even like a week after when I'm recording this video, which obviously I felt really sad about. And I know it can be really hard to experience something like this, especially when you're just starting out or when you just see all those businesses on YouTube or Instagram with often a huge following and years in the making, obviously, that sell out of their products just hours or even sometimes minutes after the launch. I just wanted to say that building a business, building an online shop, it's taking a lot of work, a lot of time, a lot of patience. And just know that if you're experiencing this too, you're not alone. And just please don't give up. I know it's hard. I'm experiencing this right now and it is really hard, but I know it will work out eventually. It's kind of a pep talk to myself as well, but if you're a small business, I hope this can actually reassure you and make you feel less alone. But anyway, I am still very, very grateful for the few people who did buy something from my shop. I never take this for granted, and I always love packing your orders. No matter the amount of orders I get, I always love this. So just thank you. Thank you, and now enjoy the rest of the video.